Welcome to the Top 4 Earn channel. If you're interested in learning the most effective method to earn $200 per day, then you're in the right place. This video will provide you with a step-by-step guide on how to make significant money. Pay close attention because you don't want to miss any crucial details. Let's dive right into it. Today, we'll be exploring a website called Meal Practice, which is a game-changing platform for discovering and following recipes that suit your taste preferences and nutritional goals. We all know how inconvenient it can be to have recipes scattered everywhere, but Meal Practice solves that problem by keeping all your favorite recipes in one convenient location. Additionally, it simplifies grocery shopping by displaying the required ingredients and cooking directions without any hassle. Adding recipes to Meal Practice is incredibly easy and efficient. Simply enter your favorite recipes and voila! You can even share a custom URL for others to find them, which is a fantastic feature. With Meal Practice, you can take charge of your dinner routine like a pro by creating menus for the entire week, saving you the trouble of multiple grocery trips. Imagine having everything you need in one go. It's a real-time saver. One of the aspects I love about Meal Practice is its ability to keep a record of all the meals you've prepared. It's like a food diary, but much cooler. Not only does it help you track your culinary adventures, but it also allows your followers to see which recipes you frequently make. It's a win-win situation. Now, let's delve into the exciting part, discovering new recipes. You can go the traditional route and seek recommendations from trusted individuals. Who wouldn't love receiving tried and tested recipes from their friends? Alternatively, you can connect with like-minded individuals who share your taste preferences and draw inspiration from their culinary creations. It's like having a whole community of food enthusiasts right at your fingertips. And here's the best part. Meal Practice displays recipes that real people actually make. No more guessing or wondering if a recipe is worth trying. You can see what successful keto practitioners are cooking week after week, and even busy parents share their go-to meals for those spontaneous weeknights. Moreover, you can save your absolute favorites to your personal cookbook on Meal Practice. You can explore the dishes that people are actually preparing and incorporate them into your own cooking routine. Trust me, it's an excellent way to expand your recipe collection and keep things exciting in the kitchen. Now that you're familiar with Meal Practice, let's dive into how you can start making substantial earnings using it. Step 1. Generate a recipe with Meal Practice. Let's explore the first step of our money-making process, which involves generating an outstanding recipe using Meal Practice. Firstly, visit the fantastic website mealpractice.com. You'll find a green sign-in button at the top right corner. If you're new to the site, simply scroll down and click the Sign Up Now button at the bottom. During the sign-up process, you'll receive a message stating that early account sign-ups are only available as part of the recipe generation process. Don't worry, just click the green button that says AI Recipe Generator. This will take you to a page with various culinary options to choose from. Let's go through them together. Select your primary protein, and for me, it's definitely fish. Next, choose a nutritional style that suits your preferences. I personally prefer maintaining a whole foods approach. Now let's add some excitement with Indian cuisine, which never fails to tantalize my taste buds. Once you've made your selections, click the Generate Suggestions button and witness the magic unfold. Now that the AI has generated the recipes for you, it's decision time. Take a careful look at the options and choose the one that you believe will be the most delicious. As for me, I'm a devoted fan of hoisin glazed cod, so that's the recipe I'm selecting. And guess what? When you click on it, voila! You'll have a custom, healthy recipe right in front of you, complete with all the necessary ingredients and easy-to-follow instructions. Once you've explored the recipe and your mouth is watering, it's time to save it. This is where you'll create your Meal Practice account. Simply enter your email address, and they'll send you a verification link via email. After verifying your account, you officially become part of the Meal Practice family. Now go ahead and save that tantalizing recipe by clicking on the heart icon. You can even add it to your plan by selecting the Add to Plan button. Choose the week and day you want to enjoy this delicious dish. It's as simple as pie. Step 2. Create an Instagram post using Canva. Now let's proceed to the second step of our money-making process, crafting mouth-watering Instagram posts using Canva. First things first, gather all the recipe information you generated from Meal Practice. Copy the instructions and head over to Canva. Here's a pro tip. Utilize Canva's pre-made templates and elements to create engaging Instagram posts. Canva offers a wide selection of Instagram post templates that will save you time and effort. Choose a template that matches your style, and then use Canva's elements to add a personal touch and enhance the visual appeal of your posts. This approach will save you a considerable amount of time compared to starting from scratch. Utilize the various Canva elements to make your posts even more captivating and mouth-watering. Incorporate stunning food photos, sprinkle in enticing graphics, and don't forget to include the step-by-step instructions from your recipe. Get creative with fonts, colors, and layouts to make your posts stand out. Once you've perfected your masterpiece, it's time to share it with the world. Start posting these creations on Instagram and witness the magic unfold. However, remember that building a following takes time and dedication. Be sure to engage with your audience, respond to comments, and showcase your love for cooking while expressing your unique personality. And allow your enthusiasm to radiate in each post. As your following grows, you'll have an incredible platform to promote cooking products and start earning commissions. You can share your favorite kitchen tools, endorse fantastic cookbooks, and recommend essential ingredients. Your followers will trust your recommendations, and you learn some extra money while indulging in your passion. Step 3. Find cooking products to promote on DIGISTORE24. Now it's time to delve into DIGISTORE24 and discover fantastic cooking products to promote. Open your browser and visit DIGISTORE24, which is a treasure trove for affiliate marketers, offering a wide range of products to promote. And guess what? Cooking is one of the hottest niches available. Once you're on DIGISTORE24, you'll be amazed by the abundance of cooking products available. It's like being a kid in a candy store, except the focus is on kitchen gadgets, cookbooks, and other culinary treasures. Explore various categories like cookware, cooking courses, recipe books, and more. As a food enthusiast yourself, you can highlight the cooking products that truly resonate with your taste buds. Whether it's an incredible kitchen gadget that simplifies meal preparation or a cookbook brimming with mouth-watering recipes, choose products that you genuinely believe in. Once you've found a product you love, simply obtain your unique affiliate link for that product and incorporate it somewhere in your Instagram posts or bio. When you share these products with your followers, showcase their features, benefits, and how they can enhance their cooking experiences. Share your personal experiences and opinions about why you adore these items. Your authenticity and passion will shine through, increasing the likelihood of your audience trusting your recommendations. So now, when people click on your affiliate links and make a purchase, you earn a commission for directing them to the product. Therefore, it's crucial to select a high-quality product, promote it effectively, and let the commissions start flowing. That's all there is to it. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, please remember to click the like button and subscribe to my channel. By subscribing, you'll stay informed about my latest tips and tricks for making money. Trust me, you don't want to miss out. See you next time.